Alright, so here I have a Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, which is a G570. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to change the LCD without using a single screwdriver. Very easy. Alright, so here it is. If you have a hair dryer, you can use that, but I'm going to use my electronic hot plate. I'm just going to heat the front of the phone, that is the LCD, for a few minutes. Alright, so I put my own temperature at 98. You can use as low as 95, but for me I just want the process to go a little bit faster, hence I put it at 98. Alright, we're back. So the phone is heated. I use this little ply tool just to ply the screen up. Alright, so with the screen out, I'm going to go ahead now to test the LCD to ensure that it is working perfectly. Alright, so there you have it. Screen is up and it's working perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and seat the screen inside the phone. Right, so what I use is the B7000 glue, and also the double-sided tape, right, so that the screen won't lift out easily. Okay, so that's it. The LCD is fitted, seated, and it's ready and good to go. Alright, so there it is. Very easy. So if you have one of these phones that you want to install a LCD in it, as long as you have the proper tool, I'm suggesting that you don't need more than 10 minutes, the maximum, to do it. Phone up and running, screen is properly seated, no amount of glue hanging out, right? The phone is up and working. So if you have one of these phones, you need a screen replacement, go to any one of our branches. If you're living in the island of Jamaica, we're in Ocho Rios, Savlamar, and Mandeville. Just go and request an express service. It don't take more than 10 minutes to install this LCD screen in your J5 Prime. Up and running. Right, thank you very much for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel so that when we post a useful video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.